Section 8, Direct Modeling. In this section you will learn how to manually manipulate the CVs to create clean and even CV layouts that will give us a good quality surface. This section is on direct modeling. Direct modeling is a technique that lets you sculpt surfaces directly by adjusting surface control vertices. You can also use the direct modeling to maintain a complete control of your Bezier surfaces and achieve exact form and surface quality you need. So basically where the software fails, you can still use direct modeling technique to shape your surface and get desired results. As you can see here, we have this ball corner and it's got quite a bit of spans, and I really don't like the way the CV layout is. So we're going to try some direct modeling technique to get that down. I just want to mention that we are modeling to very tight tolerances, like TIV5, so it can be challenging to achieve curvature continuity, but we'll try to do it. Okay, so I'm going to delete the surface here and we're going to start again. We're going to create a curve and we want this option on. We'll align it. Okay, now this curve is 5 degrees, but since my bottom surface is 6, I'm going to make it the same. Basically what you want to have the same parameterization all around. So if this surface here is 6.5, then this needs to be 6 as well. Okay, so we're going to use now the square tool, and let's see what we get. Okay, so we have fixed. We're going to ask for curvature. Okay, so we get that result. Yes, we can go into the advanced options and we're going to ask for collinear for 1, 3, and 4. So I'm still getting curvature, and if we go to explicit control, we ask for 6 and 6 here. Okay, so we got one span, but still we're failing to get curvature, and here you can see the CVs are not very nice. Okay, let's see if we do 5 here. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and what I'm gonna do is we're gonna fix this manually. So first off, we're gonna delete construction history, and I'm gonna use this tool. It's called Planarize Hull, and I want view base and closest boundary. What this does is straighten up all the CVs, or all the hull, what I mean. Now this is view base, so if it's camera view, so if I on this view here and I click on it, you can see here it tries to follow it. So basically you just have to turn it around and move it around and click on the hull. Okay, so the first one is okay. Okay, now the second one here. Okay, third one, and this here. Alright, I also see here that my bottom surface, the CVs are not straight, so I'm gonna use the same thing. Okay, and here. Okay. Actually, this one did not straighten out. There we go. Perfect. So we actually have curvature on two sides, and we don't have it here. So I'm gonna pick locator. We're gonna go to Windows, Information window, and we're gonna ask for tangency. Make sure we have positional. Yes, we have positional. So we ask for tangency. So let's see what kind of gap we have. I'm gonna put 50 checkpoints, and I want to show the labels and a comb, and so we can see something, we're gonna put G1 to 50. Okay. We're gonna use the Move CV tool with the NUV CV option, and I'm gonna move these CVs. Now we are using step size of 0.001. Okay. What this allows me to do is make small movements with my mouse, or you can also use the up and down key arrows on your keyboard. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my mouse to move that. As you can see here, we can see where the gap is. So I'm just gonna go to the CV there and just drag it. Perfect. Alright, so we got tangent now. We're gonna take the locator. We're gonna go to the information window, and we're gonna ask for curvature now. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing. Move CV tool. We're gonna go to the curvature CV now, which is the 1, 2, the second one. And we'll move that down. Okay. Now I gotta be careful with this one because this is also the curvature CV for this side. Okay. Perfect. Alright. Now I'm gonna select the surface, and I'm gonna project the surface edge. So we're gonna project normal. We want to project at 0.0001. Okay. We projected a curve. Okay, we want curve on surface. Alright, and we're gonna align now. Okay, I'm gonna align positional first. So we take the square and curve on surface, and we align position. Alright, we're gonna ask for tangency, and we're gonna ask for vector option, and let's go for curvature. Perfect. As you can see now, by doing a little bit of adjusting, we have a much better CV layout, very nice spacing, and a better quality surface. Now I'll go on and we'll do the second ball corner.